Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Hyper-V to run Windows Sandbox step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your system is running Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Open the Start menu and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Select the option that appears in the search result. In the Windows Features dialog, scroll down and locate Hyper-V. Check the box next to Hyper-V to enable the feature. If Hyper-V is already enabled, skip to the next step. Click OK to apply the changes. Windows will begin searching for the necessary files. Once completed, you will be prompted to restart your computer. After the restart, return to the Start menu and type Windows Sandbox. Click on the Windows Sandbox option to launch it. If it opens successfully, you have authorized Hyper-V correctly. If it doesn't open, navigate back to the Windows Features dialog. Make sure Platform Hypervisor and Hyper-V Management Tools are also checked. Click OK and restart your computer again. Once restarted, try opening Windows Sandbox once more. If you encounter errors, ensure that virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup. Locate the virtualization settings, often found under CPU or Advanced Settings. Enable Intel VTX or AMD, depending on your CPU. Save and exit the BIOS setup. Boot into Windows and attempt to open Windows Sandbox again. If everything is set up correctly, Windows Sandbox should launch without issues. You are now ready to use Windows Sandbox for secure testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.